Hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to read about what is public liability insurance. So what is that? A public liability insurance policy is a type of insurance policy that provides cover for any physical injury as well as property damage caused to the third party because of the policyholder or in his or her own premise. It is commonly known as commercial general liability insurance as well, which works as a combination of both product liability and public liability insurance policies. For instance, a customer visiting your office slips and breaks her ankle due to a wet floor, leading to hospitalizations. And what if this leads to a liability arising out of injury? That is why having your business insured with public liability insurance is necessary. Public or third-party liability insurance is a paramount for business owners, hospitals, and even doctors. A liability insurance policy is usually acquired by enterprise or individuals who may be held accountable for legal or financial liabilities, apart from other relevant issues. Why do you need public liability insurance? Public liability insurance in India is especially designed for the companies or individuals who may be held liable or legally responsible to pay for the injury or other related damage caused to a third party. This is especially recommended for professional organizations like hospitals, PPOs, doctors, and even business owners. For instance, if your faulty products causes damage or injury to someone else, you may be sued for the loss caused. Moreover, if your business involves the following criterion, that you need to consider buying a PL insurance if you interact with your client on a frequent basis. Regarding work as a business entity, you get across any of your client's assets. Especially for IT professionals, it is advised to be covered by IT business liability insurance if you are a representative of your client's business. If you are using third-party site for your business needs, benefits of public liability insurance, it might not be a statutory legal requirement, but it is necessary to protect the business from a monetary drain arising out of a lawsuit. At any point in time, if your business is sued a third party, the insurance will cover the entire legal expenses on you. You should consider this insurance if your business comes into contract with third parties on a frequent basis. You can protect your business from unforeseen events by purchasing a public liability insurance policy that comes with the following benefits. First, bodily injury. If any injury is caused to a third party visiting the office, resulting in major damage will be covered by third party liability insurance. Then personal injury. The policy also covers you for an offense like false arrest, wrongful entire, and etc. Liability arising out of advertising right. In case your marketing division is violates or the copyright rule of someone else, and liability arises out of this considered under general liability cover, contextual, and tenant liability. If your business space is rent and any liability ensures, if you enter in a lease contract, the expense will be covered under the public liability insurance policy. And the lawsuits, investigations, and settlement in case of a lawsuit against you, the insurance company will bear the expense of an investigator and attorney, medical expense if any. General liability business insurance assures a safe future of your business by covering almost all types of liability expenses.